Look at this map. We are in the centre of Birmingham. What can we see here? What streets are there in the city centre? Well, there's a bus stop. It's on the corner of Drawing Street and Bond Street. There's a bookshop. It's also on the corner of Drawing and Brook Streets. Opposite the bookshop, there is a chemist. And as you can see, there's a supermarket next to the chemist. It's on the corner of Brook Street and Walk Street. If you walk along Bond Street, you'll see an art gallery and a cinema. They are on your left. If you walk along Brook Street, you will see a bakery on your right, and there's a park and shopping centre on your left. Next to the bakery, there is a cafe. Opposite the cafe and cinema, there is a clothes shop. That's on Catherine Street. Tom has just arrived in the city centre. He needs to get to a cafe where his friend Max is waiting for him, but he doesn't know the way. What should he do? That's right, he should ask for directions. Hello, can you help me? Hello, what's wrong? Where is the cafe? It's on Brook Street. How can I get there? Cross the street, go along Drawing Street, and turn right. Go along Brook Street, and the cafe is next to the bakery. It's on your right. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Well, I should cross the street and walk along Drawing Street. Now I should turn right. Now I go along Brook Street. And the cafe should be next to the bakery. Oh, here it is. Hi, Max. Look at Mr. Brown. He's been to the bookshop. He's bought some new books for himself and his students. What is he doing now? Oh, he's looking for the shopping centre. Let's help him to get there. Hello, Mr. Brown. Let us help you to get to the shopping centre. Cross Drawing Street, go along Brook Street, cross Catherine Street, and the shopping centre is opposite the clothes shop. Now cross Brook Street, and there's the shopping centre. Have a nice day, Mr. Brown. Remember, you might give or ask directions like this. Is there a park near here? Is there a shopping centre near here? How can I get to the park? How can I get to the shopping centre? Cross the street. Go along the street. Turn left. Turn right. It's on your left. It's on your right. Now you know how to ask for directions, and you can help someone else to find the way. Practice these words and phrases. They won't let you get lost in a town.